Hi, this is Devin Hobb with RE/MAX, and we are in downtown Salt Lake in front of the Metro condominium building. And these condos are very nice, centrally located just 2 blocks away from the entertainment district of downtown, which over the next 10 to 15 years, there's substantial plans to continue to vamp up. Very big in preparation for Olympics coming in 2034. This is a prime location. It's nice, kind of newer feeling all around. This has had remodels done on it that are in the past, and it's very clean. And what makes this condo unique and special are the views that are seen from within. You can see here from the living room, we've got a killer view all the way down this main road here, seeing the city skyline. And then from the balcony, we've got the same view, and out the master bedroom, we got the killer views. This condo does feature a nice open living room and kitchen layout with upgraded cabinetry. It's got a guest bathroom for that spare bedroom in case there's roommates or a guest or an office. Then the master bedroom has its own primary bathroom as well. There's also, in this HOA, they provide 2 parking stalls in the garage, and there's also a storage unit in that garage as well. And so that's another unique thing, to be able to have an enclosed garage instead of outdoor parking. And so there's a dog park as well that you can visually see from the condo down below. This HOA, they cover the water, sewer, garbage, and electricity. The electricity is a little bit different in the sense that they cover the electricity associated with the heating and the cooling. There's a unit specific to this condo, but all the units are wired directly to the HOA and billed separately. So your lights will be billed through Rocky Mountain Power, and your floor heater if you choose to plug one in or whatever. But there is a normal HVAC system that is covered by the HOA. And so you're getting your money's worth out of this HOA fee. There is also a community entertainment room, little social gathering spot, a beautiful balcony outside there as well, nice outdoor patio up on the 2nd level. And you can see all this in person and also hopefully get a good feel from this video tour. All right, so when you come to see the condo, you and the realtor, just so you know, here is our key box, 712. Over the years, people have not removed their key boxes, but ours is marked 712. It says Julia Splain, but it's not hers, it's mine. And so the keys will be there, and you use this key fob, boom, get in, here we go. Now you're in. So a pretty secure entryway. And this is a nice little lobby here, and we'll go to floor number 2 right here. We'll just go up here instead of the elevator, and we'll go to the parking garage. So this is how you access the dog park. You go through level 2, and you've got all this right here. Condo's just up there. So level 2 takes you to both the dog park and the storage units, but for convenience, we're gonna go to the parking spots on level 1 first. The parking stall 374 is assigned to unit 712 as well as 375. So you do have 2 parking spots inside this enclosed garage. And we're gonna go back to level 2, and the storage units are on level 2 on that side. And so we'll time lapse over to that. Okay, so this is the storage unit area. And so you unlock the deadbolt, and then you gotta do it like that. All right. Now, 227 This one is 227 assigned to the unit 712. So pretty good storage spot in here. You could throw some bikes, extra boxes, do different things like that. Now we'll go to level 3, which is where the rooftop patio is, and there's an entertainment area as well. So this is the entertainment room. Nice little fireplace. Got a TV, a little lounge, wet bar. And then off this entertainment room, you got a nice rooftop like a patio out here. And it's kind of a cool city feel here. Got the barbecue and different planters, just hang out, have a picnic, hang out here. So this is a really cool rooftop thing that recently just got finished with a major construction process of turning it into what you see today. So very cool building, very well maintained, and a lot of fun amenities for downtown Salt Lake. This way there's a little fitness center. So basic fitness room here, got a few cardio machines and a couple of weightlifting ones, so you can get some basics done in here. So then we get on the elevator again. The main lobby is just down below. Go up to level 7 and enjoy the condo tour. All right, so we are here in unit 712. And I'm gonna point out a couple of the upgrades. We've got the tile floor, really beautiful cabinetry that's been upgraded. Bar pool handles here throughout, really tall ones. Stainless sink, gas appliance, fridge will be included. This way we've got the laundry room, appliances negotiable. So then I want to show you how the HOA works in just a second with the utilities. But to start off, we have this beautiful living room, awesome city views. Not all the condos here have good views. The ones on the other side really don't have the best views, but this is prime. And then from here, we've got awesome patio. You can sit out and look down the main drag here, and the nightlife scene too for downtown is just about 2 blocks up. And so there's a lot of entertainment, lots of things to do. You could walk to it all from here. And down below is the dog park. And then here is a guest bathroom. And the part of the HOA where they cover the electrical, the heating and the air conditioning, that unit is up here, and that is maintained by the HOA. They've got a full-time maintenance guy down on the main floor, and when it comes to AC and HVAC, that's on the HOA, and they bill that separately. And so here's bedroom number 1. Could be an office or bedroom. It's got a closet, great access to the balcony here. And then the master primary bedroom here. Same beautiful views, large walk-in bathroom here with a soaker tub, separate shower, and tile floors, the upgraded cabinetry, really nice condo. Thanks for watching this video tour, and I hope you got a good feel for the layout of the Metro condominium building as well as the condo itself. And if you'd like to come and see this condo in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this condo. Thank you.